Yo, what's going on, you guys? So we're here with Philip's E36 M3. You guys haven't seen this in a little bit because he's pretty much been finished, and he's finally doing sort of the last piece to the puzzle to the car, changing out that pretty messed up dove gray interior on the car and swapping it all out for some black interior. So he's gotten the rear seats out already. These are the new black rear seats. And the whole thing is pretty simple. Since not changing out the carpet, which is the most annoying part. Everything else relatively easy, just a few bolts as you guys can see, but no more of this dove interior, which I don't know why, pretty common on earlier gen model E36, E46 stuff. A lot of dove interior. Dude, the YouTube needs to know, dude, how much you pay.
Originally, I was gonna keep my interior dove, but then I got black Recaros, so then I was contemplating to switch over. And plus, what actually made me switch over was that I couldn't find a dove driver's side door card, because the previous owner, he riveted it in, and that kind of bugged me since I had the car. So yeah, going all black in the back.
How much you pick these up for, Phil?
Rear seats?
Yeah.
50 bucks.
50 bucks, not bad.
That's super steal.
I don't know if you guys know, but I noticed. They're not the M3 ones. But I mean, who cares? Here you go. Nice.
All black interior.
Yeah, carpet, man, this looks fine. It's gonna look better than before, for sure. These are the original dove rears. As you can see, the M3 rears have this little joint here. But all of Phil's interior was pretty messed up. There it is, you guys. The rear, new door cards in. I mean, looks. What do you guys think? Carpet? I don't know. It's because this back, when Phil's gonna get this back thing in black, I think it'll be less noticeable. And it'll look fine once the deck lid thing is black.
And when the front seats are black too.
Yeah, when the front. And then I don't think this will be a big deal.
I never got there either way.
But, yeah, it looks better than before, especially the door cards. New door cards are in. The old gray ones are out. Alright, so the rear seats are in. I don't know what you guys think about the carpet. Phil was having a debate about whether it'd be fine to not do that or not. I told him just screw it and not change it out. Because I don't know if you guys have done carpet in a car before, but it just looks like a huge pain in the ass. And I think once he gets that deck lid recovered in black, it won't be as noticeable. And it definitely looks better with the black in the rear. And then now we're going to put in a Phil bought Recaros, black Recaros for the front. I think once the seats are not dove anymore, it'll all sort of tie in a lot nicer. So these are the new seats. Recaro SR3s are, let's go with SR3s. And black, yeah. So Philip bought these originally, and then hasn't installed them yet, and he got wedge brackets for the rails. But yeah, so Philip's had these sitting around, and then he sort of was contemplating how they would look in there with everything else dove, and then he finally found the other stuff really cheap, so he said, whatever, might as well buy the door cards and do the rear seats in black. Checking out these hideous dove gray interior seats. Super easy, 4 bolts on the bottom. Simple. Dang. I'm gonna miss that Vader seat. I don't know what's the hype on the Vader seat, you guys. I think they're super uncomfortable. What do you think, Phil?
My back hurts.
Yeah, right? They suck ass. Vader seats, lumbar is terrible. I think I sit in it for like 10 minutes and my lower back is killing me.
Now,
so we got the seat out.
Airbag sensor.
Airbag sensor.
I bought a resistor. So hopefully when you plug this in, it pretty much fakes that there's a seat with an airbag or something along those lines.
Yeah, nice, dude. So this is how sort of these seats mount. They mount on the bottom if you ever done this.
They're labeling it.
And then, yeah, and then you just mount it into the rail.
Oh, why do you give so money though?
Vader versus Recaro, dude. Phil, give it a seat test, dude. Show them how comfy it is.
What the fuck?
It can't be that heavy, dude.
How am I supposed to put this on?
Oh, how do you take that off? This is new. Maybe you do have to buy different seat belts. Oh yeah, this obviously can't be used on the new seats because it's whatever the hell is going on here for the seatbelt buckle. So. What's up, you guys? So it's been like 2 days since we were doing that the interior swap last night, and in those 2 days, Philip decided, you know what, might as well go ahead and do the carpet. So here it is. Bam, black carpet. How long did it take, Phil?
3 hours maybe?
3 hours?
2.5, 3 hours.
Pulling everything apart. Well, yesterday night I spent like an hour and a half pulling all the panels apart.
So that was pretty easy. Taking the carpet out, it was alright. Not bad. It's
Pretty
cleaner.
funny.
It looks better.
It's pretty funny because we were like, don't do it. And then 2 days later, Phil's just like, whatever. Swapped it all out. How much was it?
I spent $150
For all the carpet?
for the carpet and then door sills.
Door sills.
And
Yeah,
then
now it's gonna look pretty good. So carpet's done, and then he's just waiting for those seatbelt things, and he's gonna do the door panels with the Recaros. Oh, and then all the headliners out right now because dropped it off. It's all getting suede or Alcantara wrapped, black, right?
Black.
And then this the rear deck lid as well. All right, it's starting to rain, but Phil decided to pull the driver's side door panel off and throw the black one on. So getting that on there, getting it swapped, and as you guys can see, it's starting to rain now. So putting that on hold, actually, door panel not happening yet. It's starting to rain pretty hard. Very unusual here in SoCal. This guy's just out here trying to put this in the rain, dude.
Close it.
Yo, what's up, you guys? So we're back. Phil is back with his car. He got those E30 seatbelt buckles in, so we can finally put in the Recaros. So he's doing that right now. He also got his headliner done in suede and or Alcantara, and the rear deck lid. So everything's looking nice and matching with the black, and we'll show you guys that right now. So as Phil's putting in the Recaro driver's seat, so you guys can see. Look at that headliner, black Alcantara now. Woo. And then I'll show you that rear deck lid as well. There you go, this all nice and black, wrapped in Alcantara, everything looking nice and matching it. You guys can see it just looks way better in here now, honestly. Black carpet as well. So the only thing that's left gray is the two-tone dashboard, and that's basically it. Phil also added this armrest thing here because the 95s, if you guys are aware, come with no armrest at all. What armrest is this one?
Some like rare part.
Some rare part? Yeah. Yeah, very descriptive. Just trying to tighten the bottom bolts on here, but putting this in super easy now. Just gotta button up those 4 bolts. Recaro in. Unfortunately, this is at Phil's house, so I guess we'll go to Phil's house later and show you what that looks like so we can finish this video up. Woo! What is up, you guys? So it's been like an eternity since the last clip. Probably 2 months, but I honestly haven't seen Phil in a long time. But yeah, we're here. Can finally show you guys the full completed interior with the other passenger seat in. So finally show you guys that. Finish this video. So you guys know the car is basically done now. You're done, right, Phil?
Yep.
Car's done. All of Philip's money is now in this vehicle, and we can finally show you guys the finished interior. That Dove to black conversion with the Recaro seats. These seats are probably 50 times more comfortable than the Vader seats. I don't know about you guys. If you guys sat in Vaders, I can sit in a Vader for about 30 minutes before I feel like my back is gonna fall off. But here we go. So there it is. This video took about 2 months to make, so I can finally show you the car with both seats in. Full black conversion. Philip did the carpets, he did his headliner, the rear deck, all in Alcantara, door panels, and the Recaros, of course. But yeah, converted from that old Dove interior to full black interior. Yep, so that's gonna do it for today, you guys. Hope you guys liked that video. Hit subscribe, like, whatever you guys want to do. Until next time, peace out.